9 tips that make him fall for you. Ways to make him fall in love with you. Love may seem like a mysterious force, but there's actually more science and psychology behind it than you might think. While it's true that attraction involves chemistry and personal connection, there are ways to enhance your chances of making him fall head over heels for you. These tips won't guarantee love, but they'll certainly tip the scales in your favor. Ready to uncover the secrets of love? Let's dive in. 1. Adrenaline is your secret weapon. Want to leave a lasting impression? Plan a date that gets his heart racing. Activities that boost adrenaline levels, like visiting an amusement park, going rock climbing, or even watching a thrilling horror movie together, can intensify attraction. This isn't just a theory. Science shows that adrenaline heightens emotional connections. Shared experiences that challenge comfort zones can create a bond that feels exciting and unforgettable. 2. Create physical proximity. Physical closeness has a profound impact on emotional connection. As your relationship progresses, don't shy away from small, meaningful touches. Brush his arm lightly while laughing, give a warm hug when greeting, or gently touch his shoulder during conversation. These subtle gestures signal comfort, trust, and affection. Just remember, moderation is key. Avoid coming across as overly clingy or invasive. 3. Leverage mutual friends. If you share mutual friends, you've got an advantage. People are naturally inclined to trust those who are liked by their trusted circle. This psychological principle makes mutual connections a strong foundation for romantic interest. If your friends introduce you to someone, their seal of approval could subconsciously make him view you more positively. 4. Show him your nurturing side. To build a deeper connection, let your nurturing and caring nature shine. Share stories about how you volunteer, take care of loved ones, or dream of having pets or kids someday. These glimpses into your compassionate side show him that you're capable of building a meaningful and long-term relationship. It's not about being someone you're not, but highlighting your thoughtful qualities that could resonate with him. 5. The art of mirroring. Mirroring is a fascinating psychological tactic that fosters connection. Subtly mimic his actions during your interactions. If he sips his drink, sip yours. If he leans forward, lean in slightly. This creates a subconscious sense of familiarity and similarity, which humans naturally find comforting and attractive. Just keep it natural. If it feels forced, it could backfire. 6. Share secrets to build trust. Trust is a cornerstone of love, and one way to build trust is by sharing secrets. When you open up about something personal, it signals vulnerability and invites him to do the same. Start with small, light-hearted secrets and gradually share deeper aspects of your life. This exchange creates a feeling of exclusivity and strengthens your bond over time. 7. Warm dates foster warm connections. Believe it or not, the temperature of your date matters. Studies show that holding something warm, like a cup of coffee, can influence how warmly people perceive others. Opt for cozy coffee dates over cold treats like ice cream. The physical warmth will subconsciously make him feel more positive and connected to you. 8. Use the power of red. Red isn't just a color. It's a tool of attraction. Wearing a red dress, painting your nails red, or applying a bold red lipstick can instantly draw attention. The color red is universally associated with love, passion, and desire, making it an effortless way to stand out and spark interest. Whether it's cultural or biological, it works. So embrace your red moments. 9. Find and celebrate shared passions. One of the strongest ways to connect with someone is through shared interests. Take the time to learn about his hobbies, favorite activities, or deeply held beliefs. Whether it's a love for animals, a shared appreciation for certain music, or a mutual dislike for a TV character, Finding common ground helps build an unshakable connection. Shared passions create a bond based on mutual respect and understanding. Why these tips work. Falling in love isn't just about chance. It's about creating moments that foster connection, trust, and shared experiences. By focusing on these tips, you're not manipulating emotions. You're creating opportunities for genuine bonds to form. Remember, authenticity is key. Be yourself, let your personality shine, and watch as the magic unfolds. When you implement these strategies, you're not just increasing the chances of him falling for you, you're laying the groundwork for a meaningful relationship. Love may be complex, but with a little effort and the right approach, you'll unlock the potential for a lasting connection. So, are you ready to make him fall in love with you? Try these tips and let the sparks fly. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.